Jogi,
Yeah, hi sir.
is it fine now? Yeah, you left
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
meeting.
It's
Okay.
fine. Yeah,
Okay, then anyone you can start the recording. You can start the class.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
So you also got the PDF file, right? For the class. I shared it in the WhatsApp.
Yes, yes, I got it. That PDF
Okay.
file.
Okay. It stops.
Yeah, Srinivas, please share it to me also.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah.
So I will
No, it
add
is
there.
there in the group. It is there in the group.
Group, group
Okay.
is
Yeah.
there.
And
In group
Srinivas,
it
you
is.
please start the recording for today's also.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Recording has already started. Right?
Yeah, recording already started. Shubodh, is the recording already started, right?
Yeah, I started, but you also do it because sometimes it will.
No, I think it is only for one person, right? For recording purpose.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. It allows for one person. That person can download and share it to others.
Share it. Yes.
Once. Yeah, yeah. Once it.
Yes, yes, okay, okay, okay.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. And we have completed till info record. Okay, last time.
Yeah.
Okay. So the next topic will be related to the account assignment category. Okay.
Okay.
So you're aware of account assignment category, right? Which we use in purchase requisition, purchase order, and also we can use in contracts as well. Contracts and scheduling agreement.
Yes.
So account assignment category means when we normally do the purchasing, right? In such cases, okay, if any materials we are taking into stock, right? In that case, the material value, right? So that material value will be the asset to the company, right? That value or the price that will be considered as a value. But in some cases, okay, whatever the purchasing we are doing, right? That we are directly consuming it. We are not keeping the stock or keeping the inventory. Okay, it may be a kind of an asset. Okay, we may be bringing in a machinery, so it would be part of the production department, right? It will be part of some other who uses that machinery. Okay, so they need to bear the cost, right? So those kind of account assignment related things which will be captured using this account assignment categories. Okay, the examples are like asset, okay, cost center, project, right, production order, sales order. Okay, based on the requirement from the sales order, we buy the material, and based on the sales order, they consume the material. And related to similarly for the project as well. Okay, the project has some requirement. For that, we bring the material, we purchase the material, and the project will consume that material. Okay, so they have to bear that particular cost. In such cases, we have to use, okay, which category is going to utilize that cost. It is a cost center, or it is a project, it's a WBS element, or it's a production order, it's a sales order, right? So this is the account assignment category. Okay, so there the specific asset number or the GL accounts or the sales order, okay, those will be considered as an account assignment categories. Okay, account assignment objects they are called as. Categories are here we can see, right? Asset means A, cost center means K. They are categories. The actual the object they are called as account assignment objects. Okay, which are consumed. It may be project or production order asset. Okay, that is the concept of account assignment. Okay, so this we can use in purchase requisition, purchase order. Outline agreement means it contains both contract and scheduling agreement. Okay, in all these documents we can use the account assignment categories. Okay, any questions?
But in account assignment category means it is just like MM and FI integration.
No. That is if I integration will come into picture, but
Okay.
as a concept you understood, right? What is
Yeah, I know that
means
account assignment. Yeah, account assignment
whenever
category
we
like
purchase a
yeah.
material for the stock, that
Okay.
yeah, Yes. This is a, yeah, it is a kind of integration, right, with the FI, because
Your files
the whatever the cost which is going to pay, that is allocated in some accounts, GL
account,
accounts.
yes. So some particular GL account with for asset like cost center and
Yes,
yes, okay,
sure. Correct,
okay,
correct.
okay, fine.
So this account assignment, okay, when we use in a documents, okay, in either in a purchase requisition or purchase order, we may enter one account assignment or we can use multiple account assignments. That is also possible, right? So how we use the multiple account assignment, okay? Consider the cost center means in organization, right? They consider one production department as one cost center, okay? They give one cost center number to one department. Like HR department will have some cost center, okay? Whatever the cost they are bearing from that particular organization or department, that has to be accounted using that cost center, okay? Again, when comes to maintenance department has some cost center, okay? Consider one material, okay? Maybe example, you can consider the files or the papers, okay, or stationaries. So this will be required by all the cost centers, right? Maintenance department also requires, HR department also requires, then purchase department also requires. So each are having different cost center numbers, right? So that is multiple account assignment, okay? If I'm buying a stationery, okay, instead of creating three POs, okay, in a single PO only, I just have to mention the different account assignment object with the cost center names, okay? That is called as a multiple account assignment. It is like sharing the total requirement with the multiple cost, this one account assignment, okay? That is where the multiple account assignment will be used, okay? You can see here, as per this picture, they require some folders, 100 folders which are required, okay? So cost center 1 require 100 folder, cost center 2 require 200 folders, okay? So here I can create, combining 100 plus 200, total 300 folder. I can create one PO. You can see this is a line item with 300 pieces. In the line item details, right, there I can split, okay, based on the cost center, okay? Cost center 1, I can assign 100 piece, cost center 2 require 200 piece. Like this I can split the account assignment. This is called the multiple account assignment, okay? So same, this one I'm splitting it to different cost centers, okay? This is the concept of multiple account assignment, okay? So in the case of, we split the multiple this one, right? In such cases we need to specify, because here in the line item level I mentioned 300 piece, right? So how this 300 piece will be distributed, okay? So whether it is distributed on quantity basis or by percentage or by amount, okay, this needs to be decided. So that we select during the uh, creation of PR or PO, okay? That I will show you, okay, how it is there in the system, okay? So here 300 means based on quantity, means here it's a based on quantity only, 100 piece and 200 piece. If it is based on percentage, means I can mention here maybe 75% for 25% for first cost center, 75% for second cost center, okay? So total it should become 100%, okay? That's all. Amount, based on amount means maybe consider for 100 pieces it is 200 rupees, okay? So then 200 pieces it becomes 400 rupees, okay? That is how the cost will be divided, okay? So either of the one way we have to distribute the required quantity, okay? So that is the uh, this only comes during multiple account assignment, okay? This distribution. So similarly, okay, whenever we are partially receiving the materials, right? Consider now we order 300, okay? We received only 50, okay? 50 pieces we have received. So now both the cost center wanted, okay? These people, this cost center wanted 100, this cost center wanted 200, okay? Now I have received only 50, okay? In such cases, how do I bifurcate the cost when I posting an invoice, okay, for the 50 item? So how can I bifurcate? Okay, there are two ways. One is based on the distribution ratio. Okay, distribution ratio is nothing but it is uh, first I have to give 50 pieces to cost center 1. Okay, that is one way. Another way is like I can split the quantity. Okay, I can split the quantity 25-25 both. Okay, so like that I can do. So there are two methods. One is like it is distributed among the cost center, and second one is we are distributing one by one. Means it is like first we have to give the 50 to complete first cost center. Next time if I get another 50, we'll give it to second cost center. Okay, one is based on the percentage basis, second one is based on the progressive fill up basis. Okay, these are the two methods in which we can bifurcate the cost during the invoice posting. Okay, in case of partially, if you are receiving the quantity, if you are receiving complete 300 means I can give 100 here, I can give 200 here. Okay, so there's not an issue. But in case of partial, we have to select either one of the method. Either it is distributed accordingly based on the percentage or based on the progressive fill up basis. Progressive fill up means it is sequence. In sequence, okay, we have to do the bifurcation. Okay, so that is this two concept which comes under the multiple account assignment when we use. Okay, in the purchasing document. Any questions here?
No questions, Naveen.
Okay, okay, thank you. So now we know the purchase requisition. Okay, how it will be created. Okay, and how we can create, whether we can create manually, we can also create automatically. Okay, so manually means I can use transaction code. Automatically means it is coming from MRP. Okay, MRP, or it's coming from the WBS element. Okay, sometimes. So while creating PR, I can use master data, right? So from the master data, the data will be filled automatically. Okay, if I use material number, all the data will be copied there. Okay, if I use catalog, from the catalog, the data will be copied. Okay, this catalog will be used during self-service procurement. Okay, in such cases. Okay, so you using this purchase requisition, right? I can create RFQ. Okay, quotation means in case of requisition, okay, I require some material. Okay, that material does not have the source. In such case, I can go for RFQ. Means to finalize the supplier, to finalize who is going to provide that material. Okay, so next one will be I can create outline agreement. I can create contract. I can create scheduling agreement. Then I can also create purchase order. Okay, using requisition. Okay, these are the output. Okay, when we create a PR, I can create all these documents. Okay, out of it. Okay. So there are some features. Okay, which are important in purchase requisition. Okay, so in PR. Okay, in purchase requisition, if I enter a account assignment, right, I can use U. U means it is unknown. Okay, we have learned what are the account assignment, right? So account assignments are like asset, cost center, project. Okay, if I enter asset means I have to enter what asset, what number it is. Okay, all those details I have to enter. Okay, that is account assignment details. Okay, if I enter cost center, I have to enter what cost center. Okay, what GL account. If I enter project, I have to enter the WBS number and other accounts, other related data, right? So sometimes user does not know anything, right? So user, when they creating a PR, right, they're not creating PO, they're creating PR. In such cases, they are not aware what is the account assignment, either cost center, asset, sales order, purchase order, production order. They are not aware. In such case, in PR we can use U as a account assignment. U means it's unknown. Means I'm not sure what is the account assignment category. So you can be using PR. Okay, but we cannot use U in purchase order. Okay, in PR I can use. Okay, that this is one of the feature. Okay, so in such case I don't have to enter any account assignment data. Okay, second one is the valuation price. You're aware of the valuation price, right? Which is there in the PR. So this valuation price is, it is coming from the material master. Okay, so it is proposed from the material master. Okay, this valuation price. Okay, but when you create a purchase order with reference to this PR, okay, this valuation price, right? This won't be proposed in the purchase order, okay? In case of it is a material, okay? If it is not a material, then it is proposed to the purchase order, okay? That is the another feature, okay? You got it right. Also, another one is if you are entering the without any material master, right? The line item, okay? In such case, you have to enter the valuation price manually, okay? System will not find the master data, right? If it is a material master, we enter some price, it will pick up, okay? If you are entering free text, if you are entering without a material master, the line item, in such case, we have to enter the valuation price manually, okay? System won't take it. Okay, these are the important features of requisition.
Yeah, Naveen, if material is not available, means like service master. I have one
So
question.
service master is a master record, right? This is
Yeah.
we do not have any master record. Even service master, material master, nothing is there. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
In such case, the valuation price has to be entered manually.
Okay.
So as I already told, right, this is the main features. Okay. Then if I convert this PR into PO, okay, I already told in PR I can use account as in category U, but in purchase order I have to enter specific account as in category. Okay, I cannot use U. I have to enter either cost center or it is required for asset or it is required for sales order. Okay, I have to specify. Okay, and also the valuation price I told, right. Valuation price is coming from the material master. Okay, this material master. Okay, M01. So this won't be proposed in the purchase order. Okay, here it is coming from the info record or contract or scheduling agreement. Okay, this won't be copied to the purchase order. But in case of without material master, you can see without material master, there's a 10 euro. Okay, it is copied to the purchase order in such cases. Okay, so this is another feature when we're converting PR to PO. Okay, these are the important things. Okay, you should remember. Any questions or doubt?
No. No.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Next topic is the source of supply. Okay. If any point, okay, which you need to make a note of it, okay, you can make it. Okay. It is there. It is self-explanatory. It is there in the material, in the study material. Okay. If you want to make a note of it, you can make it. Okay. In separate notebook. Okay. So source of supply. Okay. Source of supply means I'm creating a purchase order, right? I need some material or some service. Okay. Who can provide that? Okay. That is the source. Okay. Who can provide the supply? Okay. So it may be coming from the plant. Okay. That is STO. Okay. Or uh, right. Or the from the store location. Okay. Within the plant. And it may be info record. Info record means it is created for the material which supplier can supply it, right? So similarly, outline agreement, right? They are also act as a source. Okay. So we already learned on the info record. Okay. So outline agreement we will see later. Okay. So these three, okay, these three are important source of supply. Okay. When we create a purchase order, either it should go to plant. Okay. Either it should go to the supplier for which info record is created, or either it has to go to supplier where the contract or scaling agreement is created. Okay, either these are considered as source of supply. If nothing is there, we have to enter the source manual. Okay, or if there is no source, we have to create a RF in such case. Okay, to find out the source. Okay, So here, just explained, okay, what is info record. Okay, info record is like, it's a combination of material and vendor. Okay, so same material, okay, if it is supplied by different vendors, right, for each vendor we create one info record. Okay, so it contains material specific supplier information. Okay, so outline agreement is like, it is a long term agreement, okay, with the supplier, okay, to supply the material or the services. Okay, so it contains some terms and conditions, and uh, there is some negotiation of the price. Okay, because the supplier and the purchasing department, right, they have a mutual agreement, and supplier is providing uh, long term this one, okay, supply. In such cases both will be benefited. Okay, so that is outline agreement. Okay, so these in outline agreement we can call it as, one is contract, second one is scheduling agreement. Okay, these are the two types in outline agreement. Okay, so this is the app. Okay, manage purchase execution is an app. Okay, this we already tried the demo. This is a Fiori app. Okay, generally in the uh, SAP ERP, right, we use ME51N. Okay, that is the transaction code to create the purchase requisition. Okay, so here the app is manage purchase requisition. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so we already seen this. Okay, so just I capture the picture. Okay, it looks like, and so if PR is there, if source is already assigned, we can using this create purchase order button. Okay, we can directly convert that into purchase order. Okay, using this app itself. Okay, we don't have to go to other transaction. Okay, so that is how the Fiori, okay, and the S4HANA is improved. Okay, in terms of user, uh, the how the user can reduce the number of transactions and reduce the number of screens. Okay, to going into the and getting the transactions to be done. Okay,